Hello everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate, using my own car as an example, what can happen if you don't replace the cooling system pump on time. I have an Audi A6 C5 with a V6 engine, and one day it started making strange sounds, the RPM fluctuated, the power was lost, and there was a noticeable grinding noise. When I removed the bumper, the serpentine belt, and the protective covers, it became evident that the timing belt was sagging. It was sagging because the timing belt idler had come apart. The previous owners of this car told me that when they replaced the timing belt, they changed all the pulleys, the tensioner, and the belt itself, but they didn't replace the cooling system pump. As a result, the pump started leaking and the timing belt idler pulley was located right beneath it. Over time, coolant drops were splashing onto the timing belt idler, and as you know, prolonged exposure of liquids to such components leads to corrosion and consequently the rapid failure of the part. Ultimately, the idler disintegrated, the timing belt sagged, and the ignition timing went haywire. That's it. So remember that if you're replacing components in the timing belt system, it's best to change everything completely. I'll be reassembling everything according to the manufacturer's specifications, and for that, I'll be removing the camshaft gears. So, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on new videos. Until next time.